out in the wood shop, and we wanted to show you our ZIPBOLT connectors for worktops and countertops. We got 4 sizes: the ZIPBOLT 170, 120, 85, and the ZIPBOLT Mini 100, according to the millimeters in length. As opposed to the traditional dog bone connector where you need an open wrench and 2 hands, here we only need 1 hand. That is due to because we have a gear on this part of the connector. Now let me show you and demonstrate how it works. So here we got the ZIPBOLT Mini 100, only needs a 12.5 millimeter deep hole, works for all of your 3/4 material. And here we got the ZIPBOLT 170 and 85, and needs a 20 millimeters deep bore hole, and this is for all of your countertops, starting with an inch, 1.25 inch standard countertops. Let me show you. Very simple. 1 hand, tighten up the joint, very fast and quick. The whole point is to save you time and labor and have a perfect look of your countertops.